2 Romeo Alpha, going to take off runway 12, immediate right turn to the south. And as you can see, I really don't need a runway. I'll leave it full power here for a while because I want to see the vibration effect on the camera. And now I'm pulling it back through under 2500, 2400, 2300. This is important because I want to see where the vibration points are for this camera out here on the mount, 2200. Getting a little turbulence, so it'll be interesting to see how the GoPro handles that in the final post-processing. And I'll pull it back to 2050. Is the typical cruise RPM. Salton Sea has really pulled back a lot in the last 2 years with the drought out here in California. So you can see the various shorelines of the sea here and the birds flocking off. Be able to see the previous spots in the dirt here where I think I'm the only one at this airport that lands in the dirt. So as we get closer in, you'll see right in front of the 1-2 symbol there at the end of the runway, you see all the marks in the dirt. That's the Carbon Cub. We had a little tailwind, about 10 miles an hour tailwind coming over the final air. I was scooting pretty quick along the ground when I hit. So the wind switched around at the last minute from a left crosswind to about a 10, 12 miles an hour tailwind. So it took me about 200 or 300 feet here to stop, which normally it's only about 100 feet after I touch the dirt. And you saw in the video with these Behringer gear, it's sort of like landing on a pillow, even though I'm touching down on some really soft, dusty, almost powdery, like you'll see it here in the video almost. There you can see the wheel marks where I hit, and it pushed me over to that wind at the last minute, flipped around and moved me off the center line, and made me hit pretty fast for a Cub. Anyway, down. But we'll see how the